Okay, well, I was going to say it's coming from behind the neighbor's house, but I'm not sure now. It's echoing too much around things. It really does sound like a lawnmower. Oh well. Yes, it is a lawnmower, actually. There is someone with a lawnmower with headlights cutting grass. That's what's happening. Okay.